Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing my order from GFP Produce. It's a subscription service similar to Misfits Market, which I get on alternate weeks, but this one has first quality produce. It's not misfit or damaged produce. This is my first time ordering, so let's check them out and see what they're all about. Just opening the package, I can see that everything's nicely packaged. And I can see there's a huge variety of produce inside. The first item out of the box will be this box of organic blueberries. Berries are one of my favorite fruits. And then we've got some lemons as well. Those were substituted. I was supposed to get romaine lettuce, but they sent those instead. And we've got 3 jalapenos. They look really nice. I think I'll stuff them with some cream cheese and roast them. A nice box of Campari tomatoes. Those will be great in salads. A few loose blueberries that escaped. And then we've got some nice green apples. These look really good and fresh. Next item out is a big bunch of asparagus. I'll be roasting that with dinner tonight. Then we've got some of these tomatoes. I've never seen them before. They've got almost a black flesh, but they look really good and they're supposed to be tart and sweet, so I'll have to check those out and let you know what I thought of them. Then we've got some nice avocados here. I eat an avocado a day, so I'm always happy to see more of those. Then we've got some nice celery. Looks really green and fresh. Some enormous red onions. I think I'll slice one of those and roast it along with the asparagus tonight. Then I've got some oranges rolling around down here. One of them is a little worse for the wear. He's a little rotten and a little dented, but the rest look great. And I did talk to customer service about the missing strawberries and oranges, and they did get back to me with a resolution. So 2 thumbs up for the customer service. Kelly, shout out. And then 1 enormous head of cabbage. So as I said, I'm going to alternate for the next few weeks between GFP and Misfits and see which one I prefer. They both have pluses and minuses. The GFP produce has amazing quality. It's all first-rate produce, really fresh and nice. The downside, like I said, I did have the 1 crushed orange and a missing strawberries, but they are taking care of that. Misfits, they have a more eclectic variety of produce, but it always isn't the nice quality that this is. So, I mean, they both have pluses, both have minuses. So we'll keep on comparing and contrasting them and see where we end up. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I really appreciate it. I appreciate any of you who'd love to subscribe. And I will see you next week with Misfits Market. Have a great week.